In this video, I will show how to use the E3 router component to show data from database on screen. So in our database right now, we have some data. So we have demo tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have some data in database. So this table here, I want to show in E3. Okay. So if I have one table with data, I want to be able to show this data in E3. To do this, in E3, I will first insert the component called E3 border. So I will draw one E3 border in my screen. This E3 border, we need to set the property. And more importantly, we have to set one query. This query will be the way we can read data from database and to show in our E3 border. So we have to configure the query. But first, we have to set a database connection. Otherwise, we cannot read anything. Since the data is stored in database, our domain needs one database connection. So let's insert a database connection in our project. So I will choose my SQL server. Database is E3, SA, and the password. I test the connection. The connection is successful. So now I go back to my screen and I can configure the query. Okay, so I need to choose the database server. I have DB1. So press OK. And this is all the table I have in my server. So one is interesting for me. It's signal. So I need to choose signal database here. I press OK. So I have all the fields in my table. So I can pick what field I want to show. So let's select timestamp and only the value. I will not show the quality in my example. I press OK. So I have all my demo tag here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can change the title if I want. I can apply a different title. Also, I can choose to show or not if I want to modify this. I can change the ordering. I can group, and I can also apply filter. So this Windows will automatically generate the SQL code, and I can give a try by running the query. Then here I can see my data is shown, and I have exactly what I want from the demo tag 1 to demo tag 5. In case my database is very big, I can choose to display only 10 because this Windows is only for testing. I'll press OK. Then now I have my field in my history border and I can adjust, for example, timestamp. I can adjust to have larger column, and I can also change for each other field. I can change the width. And if I want, I also can change the format. So I can change the format for each field. Okay, so now I can run my program and I have my data in my S3 browser directly from the database. And I can apply a format to only keep the two last digits, the two first digits. So this component is called E3 browser.